You asked, how to divide 2367 by 2 using the long division method. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1183 remainder 1.